Let's cut straight to it. Not all work clothes are tax deductible. Before you try to claim your $300 blazer or dry cleaned power suit, hit pause, because we're breaking down D3 deductions and showing you what the ATO actually lets you claim. D3 is all about work-related clothing expenses, but not your everyday wear. It applies to protective clothing, occupation-specific attire, uniforms with a company logo. You can also claim the costs of washing, drying and ironing if you do it yourself. What you can claim: high-vis vests, steel-capped boots, safety goggles, chef's whites, nurse scrubs, police uniforms, tradies, you can claim your overalls, and if you work outside, hats, sunscreen, sunglasses. These are protecting you. Your company branded work shirt or uniform. Laundry expenses, even using your home washing machine. Don't get caught out claiming normal clothes worn to work, like suits, dresses, jeans, items without a logo, even if your boss asks you to wear them. Dry cleaning for non-deductible items. Fashion forward? Sure. Tax deductible? Nope. For laundry, you can claim $1 per load if work-related clothes are washed. 50% per load if mixed with other items. No receipts are needed, but it's good to keep a record of how often you do your washing. The ATO's not guessing, and neither should you. Take a photo of receipts for uniforms purchased. Avoid claiming stylish items, unless they are really protecting you. Don't forget, if the employer pays for it, it's not tax deductible for you. If you wear it for work and wash it yourself, could be shaving dollars off your tax bill legally. Hit like if that's news to you, and share this with your mates in uniforms. Subscribe for more hacks that'll make your end of financial year a bit less stressful.